This burger is so good. I love my free times.
One more bite won't hurt, right?
I bought some fresh vegetables today. Honey, you're eating too much fast food.
But it's so good.
That's enough for today.
And no more burgers tonight, okay?
Okay. I'll stop.
Okay, I trust you.
She's gone. I will take just one small bite. She will never know. Oh.
Hey, not my hamburger.
That's not very healthy, Dad. Dad, you promised Mom to stop eating it. Here, Dad. Eat vegetables instead.
No way. I don't like vegetables.
I have an idea. Let's do a challenge.
A challenge? What kind of challenge?
If you win, you can eat the burger. If you lose, you have to eat vegetables.
It's easy. I'll win and enjoy the burger.
Dad, it's your turn.
Oh no. I need to be careful. She is so smart.
Checkmate! I win!
What? I lost? That is impossible. Ugh, this is awful.
Now, it's time for tug of war.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
I won't lose again. This is so unfair.
Yay! Yay! We won!
But I still want something sweet to eat. Just this once.
What are you gonna do with those sweets out here? You promised us. That's not okay.
I was just really hungry.
This is what happens when you keep eating junk food.
One more burger and another one. This is a paradise.
Oh no! I feel so heavy!
Help! I'm floating!
Dad, come back!
Whoa! What a nightmare!
Come on, let's go exercise.
Fine, let's go.
Let's run together, Dad.
Wow. This is harder than I thought.
You are doing great. Keep it up.
Can I have an ice cream? Just one?
Maybe a small one.
Really? We are exercising.
Okay. No ice cream.
Okay, let's keep running. Hey, it's becoming easier.
Go, Dad!
You can do it! Dad, Mom, we want to ride bicycle.
Let's ride together.
Wait for me. But I will try my best. I think I can lead.
Wow, Dad is really fast.
Watch this, Tom.
1, 2, 3.
Dad, you are so strong.
Wow, I'm proud of you.
Look. I have abs now.
It's time to choose, Dad.
Burger or vegetables?
It still looks tasty.
But I want to stay healthy and keep fit. Let me think. I choose vegetables. No more fast foods.
Hey, this is actually good.
Thank you. I will never know how good are vegetables without you. Thanks for supporting me while I was losing weight.
I'm so proud of you.